How to stop video autoplay in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop video autoplay on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Insta. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you can head over to your bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After that, you can then scroll down on your settings and activity. Scroll down till you find your app and media section. After you find your app and media section, head over to media quality. Tap on media quality and there you'll see an option called use less mobile data. Simply enable that, and what this does is that this simply reduces your cellular data uses. So yeah, this will enable the useless data option, and what this does is that it will reduce data consumption and video will not autoplay while you're on cellular data. And that's basically it guys. That is how you can stop video autoplay on Instagram. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.